Because Tira Vilagna sits on the outer slopes of Mount Batur in Kintamani, it's ideally placed to explore the region.
Can I help you book the tour today?
Our staff are more than happy to organise various tours for you, like a visit to the outstanding UNESCO Global Geopark, famous for its bubbling hot thermal pools. Also on the lake is the famous mt.batur temple, which has huge cultural significance. We can also organise boat tours on the lake to see the many fishing villages and farms. Maybe a visit to Tranquility village, where the local practice isn't to bury the dead, but place them above ground in bamboo cages. Jeep tours across the lava fields on Mount Batur are also very popular, along with visits to coffee plantations, where you can see the production of coffee and sample different blends. But perhaps the best reason for staying at Tira Vilagna is it's close to Mount Batur, which makes it perfect for climbing the mountain to watch the sunrise over the lake at dawn, which is a once-in-a-lifetime experience. There is so much to see in the Kintamani region of Bali, and Tira Vilagna is the perfect place to stay.